Hello, this video is going to show two modified versions of our version 3 Clementine floor plan. This is a floor plan with a 50 by 65 living area, so that's 3,250 square feet of living space. I'm also going to show the stock version, so let's say the first version of the Clementine as well, to show you some of the differences there. This is the external 3D rendering views of this. You'll notice the version 3, the garage is the same width as the house, and that's going to be a difference between the stock and the version 3. So this is the version 3. Once again, on the right hand side here, you'll see the garage. It's the same width as the house at 50 feet. We've got 3 garage doors off on the right hand side. For the floor plan itself, if you look down to the bottom left, you're going to see an office. On the stock plan, you're going to notice that there is also, that becomes a room, and there's an office next to that, so the entryway is quite a bit smaller between the master bedroom and this additional bedroom. Also on this plan, if you look back to the right side of the living area, we've got the mud room to pass through from the living area to the garage. Then we've got the utility with the washer and dryer and a door into the master closet. That's going to be different in two of these plans I show you, as well as moving the bathroom and the closet, like moving those two around for the master. And also that bathroom in the center, you're going to see that is in a different place on some of these plans. And one of these plans, we take the whole garage off. And on each of these plans, you're going to see different porches. So this is the stock plan. Once again, the biggest change in the bottom left is the office is now much smaller, and you've got an additional bedroom. That bathroom has now been moved over to separate the office area from the living area. And another big change I didn't mention is the kitchen layout. The other floor plans I'm going to show you, as well as the stock version 3, we went with a straight rectangular island instead of this 90-degree angled one. So I'll go back and show you real quick. So here we go, the V3. And one of these plans, you're going to notice that that island moves 90 degrees, it rotates. So once again, this is the version 3, to pass through into the master closet, a different kitchen layout, and also the bedroom becomes an office, and you have a much bigger entryway. So here's the one without the garage. On the back side here, you've got the porch running across the whole length of the 65 feet. The front has a little bit of a gable porch entryway there, and off to the side, like if you have a separate garage or somewhere else you're parking, you at least have a little bit of covered area to enter into the home from the side. Here's that floor plan, highlighting the bottom left. That office, instead of having the doors on angle, they now are off to the right hand side wall there. Also, the little hall closet that was there between bedroom 2 and the office has been removed. You still have room, probably I think 2.5 feet there in that green circle bottom left, top left of the green rectangle. You could add a small coat closet if you'd like there, which might be kind of handy. The bathroom is still in the same location, but as we move to the middle section of the kitchen, you'll see that island has been rotated. There's no sink in it, there's no stove in it. And something that is pretty, I think a lot of people would like, is the entry to the pantry. It's no longer in the corner, so doing this actually gives you more counter space leading up to it, because if you have it in the corner, you can't have counter running all the way down to it from either side. So that's a nice little update to the plans there. You're also going to see that the bathroom now is a half bath there. And another plan, it becomes a smaller half bath to make the pantry a bit larger. Moving to the right hand side there, which we have as an orange rectangle, you're going to see the entryway goes to the mud room and the utility room. All that's been changed, as well as the master closet and master bath, have been swapped. So the washer dryer now on the top left of that orange rectangle, and as the mud room. There's no door to get over to the left until you get to the master bathroom. But once again, you can pass straight in there from outdoors. You can walk into the mudroom, take a left, and end up in your master bath. Also, this plan, you'll see on this one, it still has the full bathroom, the Jack and Jill. You're going to notice a difference there. Eventually that's just going to become a shower. At times people are like, hey, I don't want a full bath, or I don't want a shower and a tub combo, I just want a shower. That's something pretty common for a lot of the modifications we do for people. This plan is almost the full size, except for if we start on the right hand side here with the orange rectangles there. The shop has been decreased 10 feet left to right. So it's now only 25 feet in depth. That's a pretty standard depth if you'd like to park a longer car or truck. I should say probably only trucks are that long. Also, if you notice in the bottom right, that's labeled man cave. So that is about 19, just over 19 feet from top to bottom, and still the 25 left to right. And you also have that half bath, or you have the sink and the water closet there in that. And you can only access that from the outside. So some of you might like to have something. Other people might say, hey, we're going to have this as a separate area for a business, right? Or a quilting room. That's one way. If you don't need the larger shop or larger garage, you can definitely section off part of this by still having it the same 50 or the same depth top to bottom, or same width as the house. You can do that. Moving to the center of the plan, this is the plan where you still have the pantry entry coming from the corner. So what you can see there is it has to take away from both parts. Some of you may like that look better and be like, I like to tuck it back in there instead of having it. But if that was slid down, your fridge next to the fridge there above the pantry and bathroom, you could have your entry there. And this bathroom is also a half bath. This is the one that, as we move to the left hand side of the plans, bathroom 3, BA3 there, we're notating that they wanted a shower for this plan. The porches on this one, the front is a gable all the way across, and it runs the full length. And the covered porch in the back is also a full length of the home there. What's that, 65 plus 25 feet. So these are some of the changes people have requested. The office on this one, they kept the double doors on angle, and you can see right next, this is the bottom left hand corner. You can see also the closet there is still next to the office, next to the closet for bedroom 2. So that's like a coat closet. You'd come in, you could put some stuff in there. That'd also be handy probably, I think, where else? I guess utility room, you could have your vacuum and such, but I could see people stashing quite a few things there in that closet as well. So these were 2 different versions we've created for people based off of the version 3 of the Clementine plan. It seems like everybody has some new little addition they'd like to add, so the plan is to keep showing you all these different ideas people have. If you have any questions, the best way to reach us is our website, barndominiumfloorplans.com. We have a contact page there. You submit a message to us, we will respond via email back to you. If you'd like a phone call, we definitely arrange those as well once we find out what you're looking at, what you need help with. The website has lots of information, lots of ideas to give you as you think about building, what to consider from the foundation all the way up to the living space, the garage space. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.